I'm here with Nick from Plan Radar on UK Construction Week TV. And Nick, you're going to be showing us something new that you at Plan Radar have brought to the market recently. Just fill us in on what it is you do.
So Plan Radar is a project management software for the building trade, construction trade, facilities management, architects. Anything that involves building something or maintaining something or reporting on something, we can have an active help.
Right, okay, I can see on your screen just here, you've actually got one of those plans up. What is it that's new? What is it that you guys are adding that isn't there already?
So what we're adding is we're taking a construction process that is being managed through WhatsApp, through email, through SMS, through lots of different channels where mistakes get made, and pulling it into one place. So what it basically means is you can run a construction project from a single house to a huge block of flats off a single portal through an iPad, through a mobile device, and through a website.
You're bringing it all together, so you've got a single platform to manage that build and to manage the defects afterwards.
Yeah, now this is super important because because previously when people are using lots of different methods of tracking things get lost and things go wrong. So we've seen a lot of house builders in the past of spending up to like £12 million repairing defects that have gone wrong. And it's really bad PR. Now if they use a product like this means that things can be flagged up as they go wrong and they can be rectified. So projects don't overrun, they get delivered on time without the errors that have been happening.
You brought us some stuff on the screen, as I said. Just chat us through some of the platform here and what it is we're seeing.
So, a great thing to think of is that if you were on site for a second, and I'm just going to quickly get my iPad, and if you are a builder and you are wandering around a building site, you can then go and raise a pin and place a pin on a plan. And what you can do is, we will click on this, and hopefully it's going to come up in a second. This will allow us to demonstrate, for example, we have got a faulty plug. It allows us to have a totally personalizable ticket with images that will show us what exactly somebody needs to do. We can assign it to somebody, and as I assign it to somebody, it pings on their phone to say, right, I've got to do something. And this builds an auditable trail of what needs to be done in terms of defects and tasks. And so what somebody has to do to close this ticket is take a picture of the job being completed and send it back to you so you have proof that it's been done without you having to leave your office or having to leave another site. So it saves a huge amount of time and a huge amount of money by being able to keep track of all your different projects. So we can see pictures here, we can see exactly where on the plan it is. So the idea is you want this to be idiot proof. You want to be able to send something that somebody can read in their phone and see, I see what I need to do, I see where it is, and I can see when it needs to be done by. These are the key things we need to think about. And we're trying to keep this as simple as possible so that if somebody can use Facebook, if they can use WhatsApp on their phone, they can use this software because people make things too complicated and it needs to be easy to use and simple.
Sounds great, and bringing everything together into one easy-to-use platform makes an awful lot of sense, particularly when your workforce, particularly when your projects are so distributed. Tell me, this product is already launched?
Yes, it's been going for since 2013. It's very successful in the German, Austrian markets. Yeah. So we have some very major companies such as Bosch, Siemens, Energy, CBR, Cushman & Wakefield. So we've got a huge amount of clients. We've just opened up the UK office and we're getting a lot of interest already. So we're really pleased.
Brilliant. Really pleased you're here. Thank you very much indeed for joining us, Nick, from Plan Radar. Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Cheers.